Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about ad accounts that they cannot scale and delusional expectations. I want to clarify that this video is not here to discourage you. This video is here so that it can show you how an ad account looks when it's ready to scale, how an ad account looks when it's not ready to scale. If you're seeing results and you're not able to scale while you're having better results on lower spends, maybe it's the time for you to admit that you have to do changes into your numbers, into other things in order to make it work. But for sure, let's go into my PC. Let me show you two ad accounts, one of them that it's ready to scale, one of them that's not ready to scale, how you can spot these things so that we can all be on the same page. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So in this ad account, what do we have? We do have another account which is having high AOV, as you can see over here. This is a retargeting campaign. These are two campaigns. This campaign with the 72 CPM, it's video, 42 CPM, it's images. This new campaign, which started recently, it's also doing images, again has 40 CPM. For some reason, we have more expensive traffic when we do videos. Most likely because people don't resonate very well with videos and all of that. So it's not doing better targeting. Anyway, I would like to clarify that these campaigns are doing exactly the same targeting, and I would like to clarify that there is nothing that has changed inside these campaigns. The only thing that has changed is the budget. So what are we going to notice here, which is making us understand that this ad account, while it's having high AOV, and you might think that I need to spend enough on a daily level in order to get the results that I need to get on a daily level because I'm having 500, okay, dollars AOV. That means that I need to spend over here at least 100, 150 per ad set over here in order to get a sale. What do we have here? We have, by the way, there are single ad sets, okay? It's not like we do many because we didn't have the luxury of that because of the AOV to do any crazy method or whatever. We need bigger budgets that obviously here we cannot have. So what do we see here? We see, well, we could do bigger budgets, but that means that we had to be lucky to optimize giving all the budget to one ad set, for example, okay, something like that. Anyway, so over here we played safe and we put one ad set and all of that. Of course, we don't have the different hot pockets and everything, but follow my way of thinking over here. 1.1 and 531 on the videos, 1.1k spent on 7 days over here. Now, if we go on the next period over here that we are actually lowering the budgets, we are having, instead of 0 sales, we are having some sales over here. We're spending 230, spending 400, we have 3 ROAS. Of course, the AOV dropped a little bit over here, but you get my point. What I'm trying to prove with this, why the are you doing this video, Konstantinos? Let me tell you, I'm trying to tell you that if you are having lower budgets into your campaigns and they are working, don't expect to have 3 ROAS when you are spending a lot of money. So we tried with bigger budget, it's the same campaign, just the budget went down. If you are having good results with lower budgets and with high budgets you're not having good results, it's not because of your strategy. It's because you cannot scale, because of your offer, because of your creatives, because of everything. Okay, so try to fix the other things, get good results, and then try to scale. Now you might tell me, okay, Konstantinos, I was spending 50 over here, I was getting 3 ROAS and I thought that I would scale. Perfect. You have tried it. It didn't work. Don't try it again.
But you can't do this to me. I started this company. You know how much I sacrificed?
Just try to do another thing, other creatives, other things. But don't just start blaming, it's because of the CBO campaign, it's because I didn't do this, it's because of this and that. This is the problem that most people don't get. Everybody wants to scale. You're discussing with people day after day after day. The only thing that they ask you is,
how can I scale? How can I scale? How can I scale?
Maybe you are not ready to scale. Maybe your other account is not ready to scale. And let me take you to another ad account. So this is the ad account over here that I want to show you, which is actually ready to scale. But the owners are not scaling because they don't have the stock. So this is a new business. It's having very good results, very healthy numbers. We have 4.8 in ROAS this month alone, spending 45k. This is another account that can easily spend 100, 150k. Why we don't scale? Because it's a new business, they don't have the stock, they have started right now with new products and stuff, and they are testing them. They are having very good results, and this is another account which is starving. It's telling you, I'm giving you 4.5 ROAS, you want 2 ROAS, and you are happy with 2 ROAS. Give me more spend. Okay, on the other one, you had 3 ROAS, okay, on a very small spend, but here we're having 4 ROAS on a 45k spend, or 600 spend per day between campaigns, of course, and stuff. Now, if on the other ad account, you manage to build multiple campaigns with 40, 50 on each one of them with different creatives and it works, maybe you are going to be able to scale. But still the fact that the same campaigns didn't take, because I don't believe that if I increase the budget of this campaign, it's going to go to 0.3 ROAS. No, it's not. Okay, if I keep increasing more and more and more, yes, the ROAS is going to drop, but these campaigns are not going to go awfully bad like the other campaign that I showed you, that it was spending just 3 times the amount in a 7 days period and it was doing really, really bad. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you. For me at least, it's very clear to understand if another account is ready to scale or not, and if you have to do it less aggressively than here, you can be super aggressive because you have so much space over here for you to scale more, that even if you do mistakes on the scaling and stuff, they're going to be absorbed by the good results that you're having. I hope that this is going to help you understand with a good and another account that is, I'm not going to call it bad account, the other one. I'm going to call it another account which is not ready. Maybe it's a pixel, maybe it's the offer, maybe it's a product, maybe it's a creatives, that they are not, the fact that on the videos we're getting higher CPM comparing to images means that we have to try more on the creatives to get better CPM on the creatives, because they're going to make more people click to them and they're going to be more appealing. Okay, all of these are messages because the ad accounts talk to you, and the ads, and at least they talk to me, that I'm a geek about. But I'm telling you, they talk here. It's like I'm seeing a nest of small birds that they open the mouth and they are ready to be fed. This is how I feel on the other one. And on the other one, I feel like it's an abandoned house with just a small daisy, blooming outside of the house while the whole house is burnt. This is how I feel. That, okay, it's giving you a glimpse of hope that everything is going to go well, but it's a burnt, scorched place, okay? But here you see a nest full of birds ready to be fed. They say,
Feed us more, give us more money, please, we want to scale.
I hope that my stupid examples will help you understand it further, and I will see you for the closing of the video. Before closing the video, all of these years, I'm meeting people all the time. And I'm meeting people that they have some crazy expectations and they think that the Facebook ads are going to change the tide and they're just going to start selling while it's not profitable or whatever, or that they can scale when they should not think about that based on the numbers and all of that. Do you know the one common thing that I see among all of these people? They either stop advertising eventually or they change their opinion eventually, okay? There is no other way. If you think that you will come and you will find a crazy method or another method or another YouTuber that's going to show you a way while you're not profitable with what you have to scale and be also profitable, you are wrong and you're delusional. And you have to fix that, or you're going to lose your money, or you're going to close your business, or you're going to start thinking in another way and you're going to fix it and you're going to start making money. I showed you a live ad account that it's ready and a live ad account that's not ready, and other things need to be done. Now, what can we do? Watch all of my videos. Daily Loop Theory, other videos that I'm showing how ad accounts are scaling. But if you have problem with your numbers, this thing is not going to be fixed within the Facebook Ads Manager. This thing is going to be fixed by you having better offer and better numbers and better whatever, okay, you're going to have, or maybe it's not going to work because you have a lot of competition, but in theory, everything can work and you can surpass the competition with proper marketing and stuff. Even if you have an item which is more expensive than another item, in theory, if Shaquille O'Neal is the person that is actually doing your promos and it's in the videos, most likely you're going to be able to pass the competition, okay? The point is how much money you are willing to put on the marketing effort and all of that, but the answer is not the cheap solution. Okay, let's watch a video on YouTube, let's try this strategy is going to fix everything. Okay, I hope that it makes sense. Anyway, that's all I had for you. If you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorship programs where we're discussing all of these things, of course, but the truth is that the people that they come to the mentorship, they already have something working and they want to scale because there are accounts already to scale, but you get my point. And you can see all the testimonials of these people and how we work together and how they scaled. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.